Susie Dingle here, and I'm visiting a turn-of-the-century homestead in Fruita, Utah. I'm standing inside of what remains of the Gifford house, and I'd like to show it to you, but before I do, how about if we take a look around the rest of the surrounding area. This place, this land and the home was sold by the Giffords to the Park Service in Capitol Reef in 1969. But between 1908, when it was originally built, and that time, it housed a couple of different families. And then in the surrounding area, there were also other families. They worked here, raised crops, had orchards, raised their farm animals, and pretty much were self-sufficient. And they even sent their children to school here. Can you imagine being a child, looking out the window and seeing that? There's the Gifford house behind us. We're going to walk along the Fremont River. There's a little trail here. We've camped before in this campground, and it's really nice. Cottonwood, marmot, rubber rabbit bush, sandbar willow, mule deer, and white-stemmed evening primrose. We've been reading about mountain lions in this area and around Utah. These are willows that grow all over the banks of the rivers and such here in Utah. And of course, the beautiful cottonwoods. We race back from our walking to take a look at this. This is the Blacksmith Building. Stove in there. Milk jug. Husband just noted that this has very little headroom, so maybe they did it that way because that was easier to heat with that little potbelly stove and these beautiful doors. Warm. Oh, this is clever. Look how they did that. They prop it open with a bracket like that. Very smart. The old, probably original hardware. Often when I come here, this orchard is open and there's different things that are available at different times. It's a U-pick. and it's not open today. But when it is, oh, is it wonderful. Oh look, a cup holder. The house now serves as a gift shop and also small museum run by the Capitol Reef Natural History Association. And they have lots of wonderful baked goods and items made by local artisans. And usually I can find something to take home with me. I'm thinking about this. Yep. Wow. I have both these books. In the description box below, I'll leave some information and some links about this historical site. And what I found most fascinating were the audio recordings that were made by some of the people who lived here and worked here. So look for those. Wherever you go, keep dreaming in the garden.